Money. Everyone wants it. Few truly understand it. And even fewer know how to play the game to win. What if I told you that wealth isn't about luck or privilege or even intelligence? It's a game. A game with rules, strategies, and hidden shortcuts. And those who master it control everything. But here's the catch. Most people are playing the wrong game. They chase money, but the rich, they make money chase them. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly how they do it, so you can stop being a pawn and start playing like a king. So let's go, friends, and move to our topic. So the part 1 is the money trap. Most people spend their lives running on a financial treadmill. Work, get paid, spend, repeat. It feels like progress, but in reality, you're just stuck. And it's not your fault. You were never taught the real money game. Schools teach you how to be a worker, not an owner. They teach you how to trade time for money, but not how to make money work for you. Think about it. If hard work was the key to wealth, wouldn't construction workers and janitors be millionaires? The truth? The system is designed to keep you working, not winning. Part 2, the rules of the game. So, how do the rich play differently? Simple. They understand the 3 rules of the money game. Number 1, money is a tool, not a goal. The average person works for money. The wealthy? They use money as a tool to create more money. It's not about earning, it's about multiplying. Number 2, leverage is everything. Time is limited. Effort is limited. But leverage, it's infinite. Wealthy people don't trade time for money. They use systems, investments, businesses, automation to earn while they sleep. Number 3, wealth is a mindset. The rich don't see money as something to spend. They see it as something to grow. They don't say, I can't afford it. They ask, how can I afford it? That one shift changes everything. Part 3, escaping the rat race. So now that you know the rules, how do you escape the trap? Step 1, own assets, not liabilities. The rich don't buy luxury first. They buy assets, things that put money in their pockets. Real estate, stocks, businesses. The poor, they buy liabilities, cars, gadgets, things that drain money. Step 2, build multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is financial suicide. The rich create multiple streams, side businesses, investments, digital products, stocks, so they never depend on one source. Step 3, master the skill of selling. Whether you're convincing someone to buy a product, an idea, or even hire you, sales is the number 1 skill for making money. And those who master it never go broke. Part 4, the fastest path to financial freedom. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? The fastest path. Build a business that solves problems. All wealth comes from solving problems. The bigger the problem, the bigger the paycheck. Entrepreneurs win because they don't chase money, they chase solutions. And in today's world, you don't need $1 billion idea. You need a simple, scalable system. Online businesses, digital assets, investments. These are the new wealth-building tools. Part 5, final mindset shift. But here's the truth. None of this matters unless you take action. Most people will watch this, feel motivated, and do nothing. The winners, they execute. So the question is, will you stay a spectator, or will you step into the game? Call to action. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, then watch my next video, The Unexpected Habits of Millionaires and Billionaires, where I break down step by step how to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Click it now and let's get you on the path to real wealth. See you in the next video one. Till then, take care, allot yourself by.